Hello students. So today's business studies topic is management as a science. Before starting with this topic, can you tell me or did you all know the meaning of science? I hope you all know the meaning of science because you have till class 10th you all have learned science. What all you things you have learned in your science subject? You have learned experiments, you have learned some theories, some laws, isn't? That is only the science. Science is that subject or that systemized body of knowledge in which there are some laws which are general truth. That is, it is not said by just, it is not just it is said. They are based or they are depend on the observation, experiment, cause and effect relationship. See, if I tell you the example of law of gravitation, if apple is always going down, falling down on the earth, there is a cause for that. What is the cause? That earth is attracting that. Earth is having gravitational force which attracts everything towards it. So science is a systemized body of knowledge that explains some general truth or operation of general laws, and it establishes cause and effect relationship. So there are some features of science are given. First feature is systemized body of knowledge. Systemized body of knowledge means in the science there is some systemized body of knowledge is given. There is some systematic theories are given. Systematic laws have been made by different scientists, and they have not just made these laws and they are not just saying these laws ki हाँ ऐसा है. No, they have did particular study over this and then they have discussed, reached to any particular conclusion. Second feature of science is principles based on experimentation. Science principles are always based on experimentation. Means the scientists have did different observed experiments, then they have seen the observation. It is not one time effect. They have again and again they have did the experiment and observed the same thing. Science principles are general truth, that is, it is not changed from time to time. Universal validity, third feature, universal validity. Science principles are universal validity. Whether we are living in a Mandsaur or whether we are living in a US, the science principle will always remain same. Law of gravity will always remain same. Earth will always attract things toward it. The things will not change under science. Science principles are always same for each and every point. Now, for understanding management is science or not, we have to compare these features of science with the features of management. That this feature of science is applicable under management or not. So let us take one by one. First feature of science is systemized body of knowledge. This feature is applicable in the management because in management also there are some theories, there is a systemized body of knowledge. Particular theories have been given by the different scholars, the management experts have given different theories for the management, and if an organization is following that theory, definitely they can able to achieve their goal. So first feature of science, systemized body of knowledge, is applicable in the management also. Second, principles based on experimentation. See, under management we are dealing with human beings. It's not like science that we are dealing with the chemicals or we are dealing with the machines. In the management we are dealing with the human beings, and human beings' nature is unpredictable. It keeps on changing. If one principle of management you are applicable in India, it will work out, but the same principle of management cannot be work in the US or America. So principles are based on experimentation. That means science principles are based on experimentation. It will give the same result. But management principles are not based on experimentation. They cannot be said fixed. They have to change on the timely basis because in management we are dealing with human beings. Science third feature is universal validity. This point already I have covered in second feature. The science features universal validity is not applicable under the management because science is a universal concept, but management is not universal concept because human beings behavior change or varies from place to place. This is how we can conclude to a point that management is not exact science because out of 3 feature of science, only first feature, that is systemized body of knowledge, this feature is only applicable in the management. Rest 2 principles are not applicable in the management. That's why we can say that management is not exact science. It's not equal to pure science, but management is equal to soft science. Thank you.